There's 197 Porsche stores in the United States. Only 16 of them classified as classic stores.
We've already cleaned this car up. We actually use a system where they bring ice and they blast this thing. This thing was filthy when we got it. When this car is done, it should look as close to a new car as possible without a complete restoration. When you look for these projects, it's important what you pick, because you can find cars like this all over the place. They're still pretty expensive, but there's still a lot to do to these things.